Hi friends, I'm Ankit and today I will show you how to hide contact in WhatsApp. Friends, due to some reason, if you want to hide chat window etc. of some contacts, then you simply need to open WhatsApp app. Now in WhatsApp you need to select the contact which you want to hide. You can hide multiple contacts also. Now after selecting contacts, you need to press on this archive button. Now these two chats are archived and it will not be displayed on the main screen. To see these chats, you need to press on archived and here you will find these chats. So friends, like this you can very easily hide contacts in WhatsApp. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.